The officer who was on his way to Nairobi, unfortunately, tried to move to give way for the vehicle, the lorry which was under, it was out of control, but it was, unfortunately, it rammed onto him and several other vehicles. And the other persons who were injured are under medication in Naivasha Hospital, others in Nairobi, Aga Khan Hospital.
We have the unfortunate incident that happened yesterday. That is a traffic accident that happened in Karai area. And if you have been keen on the stories of traffic accidents in this country, you note that several people have lost their lives in Karai because of the nature of that road.
The whole safety of all vehicles on the road largely depends on the driver. So at all times, the driver must ensure the roadworthiness of the vehicle before engaging the move driving along the road. Because largely a vehicle which is out of control really make risks to all other persons on the road.